Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to add image background to PDF document using PDF element. Let's get started. Open a PDF document and go to edit menu, click the background and add background. Click the plus icon and choose the image option. Click the image path option, choose the image. You can increase or reduce image scale. Finally, click Save, Apply. Now check your documents. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.